Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial of Genie Guide, and in today's guide video we will learn how we can update firmware or software on our GoPro. So make sure to stick with me till the end. Now in order to update firmware on our GoPro, we will have to connect to our GoPro app on our Android. So assuming you've already connected your app, you can go ahead and watch our other video if you haven't already. So in order to connect your GoPro with your app, so in my case I've already connected it, so I'm going to basically go ahead and open the GoPro app on my phone. Once I open the GoPro app, I will tap on the GoPro button, which is at the bottom right corner, and you can see my GoPro device right over here. I will simply tap and control your GoPro, and if you already have an update available, it will just prompt you up. You don't even need to do anything. You can see in my case it just prompted up just like that. It says let's install your update. The rest of the update will only take a few minutes. Leave your camera on and don't leave the quick app until the update is complete. So you could go ahead and tap on the continue button in order to update your camera. You can see some of the general bug fixes and so on, and tap on the update camera button in order to connect to your camera's Wi-Fi. Now in this case you have to make sure the bandwidth is also simply selected the same. If your Wi-Fi is in 2.4 gigahertz, you want to make sure your GoPro's connection bandwidth is also set to 2.4 gigahertz. And I will simply tap on the connect button, which you see, and it is going to take some time to connect, and you can see accept and continue. I will go ahead and follow all of the instructions in order to actually continue updating my firmware. So you can see your camera battery must at least be 20% charged. So in my case I only have up to 11%. But once you've done that step, you can see all of these devices, device battery, SD card, and all of this right over here. You could go ahead and tap on the continue button in order to continue updating your firmware to the latest version. Don't worry, all of the process after this is just automatic. You don't need to do anything. It's really simple and easy. This is how you can update your firmware on GoPro. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.